Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your go-to channel for transforming outdoor spaces into stunning havens. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. As the days get shorter and a crispness fills the air, many people assume the gardening season is over. But that couldn't be further from the truth. Fall is a magical time to re-energize your garden and create a stunning display of color, texture, and fragrance that will carry you through the season and prepare for the next. It's the perfect time to plant, harvest, and plan, transforming a tired summer landscape into a vibrant autumn oasis. Cooler temperatures and shorter days may mean summer is over, but they don't have to mean the end of gardening season. The start of fall presents a unique opportunity to cultivate a vibrant and productive garden. With cooler temperatures and more forgiving weather conditions, fall gardening can yield a variety of crops and stunning landscapes. Whether you're looking to add to an existing garden, start from scratch, or discover ways to garden this fall without traditional garden beds, we've got you covered. Here are 30 fall garden ideas to help you create the perfect autumnal display. One, create a planter with moody hues. Channel the darker side of the fall season with a planter featuring dark, moody colors. Purple fountain grass, ornamental cabbage, coral bells, and mums in deep reds and purples are all great choices. 2. Feature classic fall mums. Is it even fall without mums? Chrysanthemums are often sold at nurseries and supermarkets in the fall as container plants, but they can be grown year-round in the garden too. The trick is starting them in the spring to establish their roots by first frost. Plant some in your garden next spring to add a pop of autumnal color to your garden. Until then, you can decorate your deck, front porch, and even garden beds with mums planted in pots. 3. Plant azaleas for a pop of color. Azaleas are best known for blooming in the mid-spring, but certain varieties can rebloom in the fall too. Encore azaleas are known for blooming in the spring, summer, and fall, and are a great way to add a pop of color to your fall gardens. Choose a full sun or partial shade location to help these reblooming azaleas thrive. 4. Pick a pumpkin planter. Swap out your traditional planters and pots for an adorable pumpkin planter this fall. We love this clever fall garden idea for its versatility. Pumpkin planters can be displayed on the front porch, back deck, or within a garden bed depending on your space. To create your own pumpkin planter, simply hollow out the inside of a pumpkin and use it like a cover pot to hide a plastic or terracotta container. 5. Create a colorful container garden. You don't need a big garden to make an impact this fall. A colorful container display will do the trick just as well. Pair a statement planter with plants in autumnal hues for the ultimate seasonal display. 6. Go rustic with birch log containers. Hollowed-out birch logs make the perfect rustic pot covers for your fall planters. Add some plants in autumnal colors to finish off the festive look. These containers make perfect additions to porch displays, gardens, and more. 7. Bring out the cabbage. Adding ornamental cabbage to your garden is a great way to swap out tired spring and summer annuals for a fall refresh. It pairs beautifully with other fall classics like mums, ornamental grasses, pansies, and other ornamental veggies like peppers and kale. 8. Get plentiful with pumpkins. Fill any container garden, planter, or garden bed with pumpkins in various shapes, sizes, and colors to dress it up for the season. 9. Feature sunflowers. Sunflowers are one of the most popular late summer blooms. However, most varieties will bloom well into the fall months in the right conditions. Add them to your garden beds for some late-season color, or create a porch display featuring cut sunflowers to add a charming rustic touch to your space. 10. Stick to ornamental grasses. Talk about texture. Who said that fall-colored flowers and pumpkins are the only way to go? Adding ornamental grasses to your garden is a great way to create a stunning fall display. Choose a few types of grasses with varying heights, colors, and textures to nail the look. 11. Add autumnal color with marigold. Marigolds are annual flowers beloved for their near-constant blooming from spring through to the first frost. They are popular companion plants for vegetable gardens and garden beds alike. Marigolds come in shades of yellow to red, making them the perfect addition to any fall garden. 12. Dress up your garden beds with dahlias. If you're looking for gorgeous summer blooms that extend well into the fall months, look no further than dahlias. There are thousands of varieties in various colors, sizes, and styles. Not only will they dress up your garden, but dahlias also make excellent cut flowers for vases, extending their autumnal beauty into your home. 13. Try purple fountain grass for texture. Purple fountain grass is popular in fall gardens thanks to its deep purple color and attractive autumn seed heads. It is not frost tolerant, so it is planted as an annual in northern gardens. This ornamental grass looks gorgeous in garden beds and large containers alike. 14. Grow fall veggies. Plant cool season crops to keep your vegetable garden looking lush and extend your harvest season well into the fall months. Carrots, kale, broccoli, cabbage, pumpkins, and other gourds and peas are all great fall harvest veggies to choose from. 15. Create a window box display. Whether you live in an apartment or want to add a little color to your home's windows, an autumnal window box display is a great option. Fill your window boxes with seasonal choices like mums, ornamental cabbage, asters, stonecrop, ornamental grasses, pansies, and more. Don't be afraid to place a few pumpkins or other gourds in each box to complete the look. 16. Fill your porch with fall planters. Fall gardening doesn't have to happen in garden beds. Planters and container gardens are a great option too, particularly if you don't have your own yard, or you don't have time to tend to your garden beds this year. Create one fall planter or group a few planters together for the ultimate fall display. 17. Let Black-Eyed Susans steal the show. Black-Eyed Susans, Rudbeckia, make an excellent addition to any fall garden. They are available in a number of autumnal hues, from rusty orange to golden yellow. Their long blooming period means you can enjoy their color from the early summer through to the fall months. Rudbeckia are also native to many areas of the U.S., making them an excellent eco- and pollinator-friendly choice. 18. Feature hardy sedum. Sedums, also known as stonecrop, bloom from midsummer to fall, offering late-season interest with their prolific star-shaped blooms. These hardy perennial succulents grow well in nearly any climate if they have well-draining soil. Add them to your garden beds for a pop of fall color. 19. Forgo blooms for colorful foliage. There's no denying that fall flowers are pretty, but you can still create a colorful garden without them. Coral bells, coleus, caladiums, oxalis, and autumn fern are just a few foliage plants that offer stunning autumnal color. 20. Add ornamental peppers to the mix. Ornamental peppers are a great way to add a touch of autumnal color to any garden. These annuals can be used as filler plants in fall planters or added to garden beds for a fun pop of color. They are available in a range of seasonally appropriate hues, including red, yellow, orange, purple, and burgundy. 21. Make it rustic. There's something about rustic garden elements that instantly screams fall. Think an old wheelbarrow placed in the garden, whiskey barrel planters, mismatched weathered terracotta pots, and vintage garden decor and planters, to name a few. 22. Display dried flowers. Don't be afraid to add a couple of dried flowers to the mix for some texture and color. By mixing in dried flowers or grasses, you can dress up any planter or container garden for fall. 23. Go for asters. Asters bloom well into the fall months, making them an ideal addition to any autumnal garden. Their purple or white flowers are great for adding some cheery color to your garden beds and go well with the fall season. The best part is that asters are native to many different areas across North America, making them a sustainable and pollinator-friendly choice. 24. Decorate with corn stalks. Dried corn stalks make an excellent decorative touch to any fall garden. Add bunches to your fence posts to accentuate a fall garden bed, display them alongside fall planters on a patio or porch, or create a centerpiece of corn stalks and pumpkins in a raised container garden. 25. Plant coral bells for striking foliage. Plants in the Heuchera genus, commonly known as coral bells, offer colorful foliage and delicate flowers. While these plants bloom in the spring and summer, their foliage is still bright and eye-catching in the fall. Consider planting them in borders or treating them like annuals in planters to add a touch of fall color to any display. 26. Make it monochromatic. This fall, go with a fun monochromatic look to add a dramatic pop of color to your porch or landscape. Classic fall colors are the obvious choice, but don't shy away from non-traditional hues for the season, such as pink or purple, with the right plants and a stylish planter. 27. Stick to native wildflowers. If low maintenance and dependable is more your style, you can't go wrong by sticking with native species. Native perennial wildflowers and grasses are hardy. Self-seeding will come back every year and will benefit the environment. Many species offer fantastic fall colors, including goldenrod, asters, helenium, witch hazel, and more. 28. Get gourdy with it. Even if you choose not to grow pumpkins and gourds this year, you can still use them to accentuate your fall gardens. Place them in clumps around your garden bed, beside your planters, or in your container gardens to add festive color. 29. Try a pumpkin succulent planter. Enjoy some gardening on a micro level with an adorable pumpkin succulent planter. These planters look stunning on a porch or balcony and can even be enjoyed indoors on a coffee table or dining table. The best part is that once fall is over and it's time to toss the hollowed-out pumpkin, you can still enjoy your little succulent garden in a new planter. 30. Add a bale of hay. Simple yet enduringly charming and festive, you can't go wrong with a bale of hay. Place it on your porch next to some fall planters or in your garden bed, surrounded by some pumpkins and fall flowers to bring a festive touch to your space. Ready to make your garden the envy of the neighborhood? It's time to embrace the beauty of fall and unlock its full potential. By incorporating a few simple ideas, you can create a space that's not just beautiful, but also a joy to spend time in as the seasons change. Before you go, I want to hear from you. Which of these ideas was your favorite? Or if you have your own amazing fall garden ideas, share a picture in the comments below. I'd love to see it. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more tips and inspiration, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Happy gardening, everyone!